We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. When someone takes the time to reach out to us about our great service, it's like a boost of energy and an affirmation that we're doing an impeccable job. And we just love to share the news. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We'll see you soon.